Invest in yourself. It's the best investment you'll ever make. Live below your means. Wealth is not about spending lavishly. Be patient. Success takes time and perseverance. Value integrity. Honesty and ethics are invaluable. Learn from your mistakes. They are your greatest teachers. Focus on your strengths. Excel where you are strongest. Keep learning. Knowledge is a lifelong pursuit. Understand your investments. Know where your money goes. Avoid unnecessary debt. Financial freedom is key. Be decisive. Act confidently when well informed. Give back. Philanthropy enriches the soul. Stay humble. Never stop being willing to learn. Think long-term. Sustainable growth outweighs quick gains. Choose your friends wisely. Their influence matters. Read daily. It's a habit of the wise. Be frugal. It's not about having less, but needing less. Avoid fads. Invest in fundamentals, not trends. Protect your reputation. It's your most valuable asset. Surround yourself with honest people. Integrity matters. Stay calm in crises. Think rationally under pressure. Love what you do. Passion fuels success. Be adaptable. Flexibility leads to resilience. Be clear in communication. Clarity avoids misunderstandings. Save regularly. Small habits build great fortunes. Be disciplined. Consistent effort yields results. Simplify your life. Complexity hinders clarity. Avoid emotional decisions. Stay objective and rational. Know when to say no. Prioritize your time. Be consistent. Steady progress beats erratic effort. Seek quality over quantity. Excellence trumps volume. Be honest with yourself. Self-awareness is crucial. Think independently. Don't follow the crowd blindly. Invest in what you understand. Knowledge reduces risk. Be generous. Sharing wealth creates lasting impact. Manage risk. Protect against potential downsides. Keep your word. Trust is built on reliability. Prioritize health. Without it, wealth is meaningless. Be curious. Always seek to understand more. Cultivate patience. Great things take time. Maintain a margin of safety. Prepare for the unexpected. Be skeptical of hype. Reality often differs from perception. Invest in businesses, not stocks. Value lies in operations. Stay grounded. Success should not inflate your ego. Learn from others. Wisdom is everywhere. Avoid impulsive decisions. Think before you act. Choose simplicity. Avoid unnecessary complications. Embrace change. It's the only constant. Be transparent. Openness builds trust. Avoid envy. Focus on your own path. Be punctual. Respect others' time. Remain optimistic. A positive outlook fosters resilience. Keep your promises. Reliability builds credibility. Value time. It's your most precious resource. Stay focused. Eliminate distractions. Be prepared. Anticipate challenges and opportunities. Have a long-term vision. Short-term thinking is limiting. Act ethically. Do the right thing, always. Be self-reliant. Trust in your own abilities. Cultivate gratitude. Appreciate what you have. Stay informed. Knowledge is power. Be resilient. Bounce back from setbacks. Lead by example. Actions speak louder than words. Prioritize relationships. They enrich your life. Think critically. Question assumptions and norms. Be financially literate. Understand money management. Avoid overconfidence. Stay humble and cautious. Seek value. Find worth in what you pursue. Be proactive. Take initiative in your life. Embrace simplicity. Find joy in less. Live authentically. Be true to yourself.